In this video, you will learn about the Thermowell selection and its application. The main purpose of a Thermowell is to protect the temperature sensor from excessive pressure, velocity, corrosion, and erosion. It also helps to replace the sensor without draining the system. It eliminates the potential of contamination and increases the life of a sensor. Hence, it ensures the accurate measurement. There are mainly four types of thermowell: straight, tapered, stepped, and sanitary thermowell. There are mainly five key components of a thermowell: base, bore depth, insertion length, tip, and lagging extension for the purpose of process connections. This is the typical criteria for the selection of a suitable thermowell. This graph shows the relationship between immersion length and flow velocity. For a specific pipe size, say 1 inch, if the velocity reduces, the immersion length of a thermowell increases. For 1 inch pipe size, if velocity is 300 feet per second, then the required immersion length of a thermowell should be 4 inch. These are the standards which should be followed for the reliable operation and the accurate measurements from thermowells. Thermowells requires a minimum immersion of 3.5 inch for best accuracy. Secondly, immersion length of at least 4 inch is mandatory for elbow pipe. Also, swage pipe of 4 inch size requires for small dia pipes to provide enough room for thermowell. Best location of a thermowell is the sensor tip facing flow direction for the less stress on the probe. For the flange size of 1.5 inch, rating of the flange should be minimum 300 pound. And there should be periodically bore cleaning as per vendor guidelines for the better accuracy of a thermowell. And there also will be a need of to renew the heat transfer paste if the sensor is removed for calibration or replacement.